ki khubor ka bate CTV lawan rashapi ta ka Frank Motors ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment la play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakhambnia one shaka Frank Motors light koringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan r not hinyo khanda hinyo lai
Kumshibinta bankin tewi ka jingile kai ha ka mixed martial arts yaki khinna apo ka jela Meghalaya ka WFC kan pinlong yaka Yolo Carnival ba arsngi ka bansasdang ha ka khatsan trik bat khatru trek ha madan kor ka lang bhoi rembong ha ka ni ka Carnival kindon shibun ki jingpin bernya ba kin thop na du ki nong rwai ba pher kum ka rock show ka jingile Lympat mixed martial arts daki khinna khasi ki banya khun persha yaki rang yele kai ba de na ki we ki jela bat kumju ru na bar kari India ka bike exhibition na lor ki we pat habekran ba kila pathai khubor ba sambor lingdo ule tho ba hakani ka Carnival ki samla khasi kinyo banya khun persha bat ki we ki rang yele kai jongkari bat kumju ru ki banasha bar jongkari India
sambor no pada kejumpa dari headquarters of team revolution darkan samla joni nongrom bara pi Thei ai samla obet kharsana berkunjung ibu motor jong WFC kata i Bishal Mazumdar de bagnia shikman kendian ngakwa patai kendian dak tin khasi shwa yang ni ka Yolo Carnival ka sanction dari WFC Warriors Fighting Championship pada kali kesini bila sakhi bakin sedang ki rock show ki international artist ki berwan naki cakap berpihak pat kunjur pinsa yin pusala pasaki ya ka jingi berher na di jing show super bike kitin nangwai pat kunjur tak haju kasni ha kasni khandri tarik khasan ba khandri tarik jom banai nopla pinsa saki ya ka jingi Lympat kata ka mixed martial arts ha ka ba adu kumba kharna na pada ki khana khasi jingi ki bansai iron kemudian ayat pengansyu berterai keteng juga ikhna iban sadar itu kesini kentuk ya isamla Johnny nongrom iban si Lympat persya yu wei orang ikola kata isamla dari Farid Khan napo Madhya Pradesh ibabit Karsano napo Shillong napo TCA Combat Academy inse kun persya i Avinash na Dojang Guwahati Khraw Jutang entar director kata kesini khatsan tarik pada akan terik pada insa sakhi pada ya gawai pada bentar akaba pensaki ya kisah bare ni kun pusha ya wayu orang ikola na Bangladesh kumjuru ya 5 star bare akaba insa ya kun pusha ya Nazareth boleh bare cukup former kickboxing world kickboxing ubana po Mizoram in sadar tu kiwi Indonesia bentar kemudian besar na ground pom nong po Johnny Por pasha yai iwei ki khna bana po hillside MMA kata i depend te berkunjung ki sasaki yaki ye rio kan thai chuki ibaran kasab kata i Thei Jellyfish pakma hagaba inse kun pasha ya iwei open chungi na po Mizoram te kajikar pra chuki harika charme kalamba ni kuat berpar ki pai ba ban wan shikma ban sakhi ya kadi kalumpung nama kadi kalumpung kan piye kaum tang ika MMA hindrai sayo kan sakhi ru ini boleh ban ki jak tamasa bakal sedar tu nadu ki cakap pistol ba punyo man ki chimba bat kumta ter de ya tiket pula panyo online na skill box ban ya kador coba tiket tu kalau kau ba kebetulan apa bila panyo kador apa sunspark naik kita nementa pro arsni di negeri kerpat kamtam kini local artist local fighters kiban saya ship benda itu kesini di negeri coki kila apa message hanga berpau sepi ban sekolah ban wan shikma ban kerja ni kena mungkin yo mensip bat bapak tuja ya hak kesini ke bakin ikut di natrai ngai sekian dulu ba kecing air siam hamtam dala dala kena ke prijong nyotra kanong semotna bani i begini pun persya itu yang kerja pendrio bat in ngai sekian dulu ba magir gile pakre pada kumta ter ngai sekian ba kata kesni ke gile pakre kan selang kesni bocong
we are hosting a fight night fight over in Meghalaya in the Yolo Carnival. The whole reason to host the fight and the carnival together to amplify the audience in the sport. As we all know, all the fighters have been fighting for a very long time, and yet the exposure has to be seen in the scene. So with the carnival coming in, we have an exposure of area of people coming into the sport, and a couple of new people will be introduced newly to the sport. So as we see, like more people coming in, it gives a good advantage and leverage to the sport itself, because these fighters have been getting laurels in other states and international level for a very long time. But this is the time come where they get a proper platform where the exposure is properly done with them. And we would definitely request everyone throughout the state, please come down, support your fighter, support the cause, and come together like a one unit and let's get the show on the road.
Pencuba kita aku penpau saya bahwa kan sedon hagaba kinong job kin sayo kin sakuri ka ya song pisa kunjuru iki certificates iki medals par kunju ban register topology kata hari jindam kam nomor ba ingex kam ba record song way no ya Lympat ni no kura don kam man yo kata records par hoy kan penpau no hani ba iwe isamla ibapau semak kata isamla kisan au man shuthok no nrei har tos ni thrai sayo iban khori bisa song ko khamhe pakolong ka ika bas mutna namar ba kare kala be inyo pan kamai na kare sports par kunjuru in la pan kami haban in kilan khamba shishu
Habekran bat kirang ile kai kle tho bakande ke sin bening kong bekinyo bene shim benta hakne ke jingya khon bat kila pen paru bekla long kila pen kre bene shim benta hakne ke jingya kop
Bila dia simpan tension di competition.
I la bon simpan di competition national fight di American Coast.
Kata kesan berikong lah. Ni fighters ni dia macam aku mungkin dikunja Carnival festival balong open day pada perbahan nega event berbentak pada kerana ane pun kita dalam sakhi kan ya kenapa kenapa long bori kene itna bhi pilapi हमने pun yang ya kilamat buat kepala asyumenta buat kepala ajak manapol buat sejudan bakal lima lalu ini live ini kena ni kekabu bahwa orang piba bila ini live ini om tampo di sosial media
kejipan kaya ngala jale hiban kaya bahangan ngala jale hibangan bangan le bahangan kaya bahabat Thei hibat bunuan raya kata kajing jom.
Ini lu punya kumpai.
Kumba kila eba Thei di Ongbai di na Mizoram di opinion hukim 4 reveal teman Thei dan kita hiba latih nanti.
Ngarap sebenarnya begini sebentar mereka lumpung belakang on. Mereka kapal kasih berkong dulu di Carnival. Dia kami ini kan fighter dia punya kasar perform membun ki audience Thei kiba kuat teman membun ki menwan ki nampak kadang kecil hitam macam ini dese nang turu kinyo saka bun katam kata kasyur kita bun dan suka jilakan pada jin airan pada kajun jin mongki kuih sama yang tempat kepada iha real life dengan kaba Hakari kisni Thei kinyo ilang jong kaman kantam mengalahkan pun mengalahkan sabar nationals di kuat kali kan atau lalu mindo live dari kene di kalan papi piman pan ini kaman jong de Thei tak jadi kaman jong becomes to issue ya sports but Thei kan raru yang kan combat sports akan kita stage ini insyaallah sedikit interest kumba kitip hayusi kitip hayusi sepangkawan championship kitip lagi tadi idol jogi tadi favorite fighter jogi dah kami kali apa ni namanya marbalai ni pada ke platform ini nanti apa idol ke platform ini temu ni kirang lah kayak dalam kalang ni baroknya ni Thei lembah kata Carnival Thei beri kesetep bagi masa Kakak kerja juga kan but kamtam kita kam pada lakasih itu kata kita perlu kibun kita kalau pada apa musimnya. Anu tebah, sepang juga tambah atau tambah jadi bebel harus dia dengan penyang career para song bang juga kata cincong.
So basically, he started watching fights, so he was very much inspired to do it, but he never thought that he would be able to fight. But once he is like seeing his friends doing it, so he came to my academy, that's BMMA in Guwahati. So he came down there, so I took his style for fighting. So basically he's doing ground games, he'll be doing combat jiu-jitsu this time. And he has fought many championships, like in national level he has done 3-4 fights, and from there he has got the best fighter also. And so far he has competed more than 15 fights so far locally and nationally. So we are expecting a great fight this time. So it's gonna be a bigger platform for him. So thanks to the entire team, and Bajoni is also in our team, so he is also representing Desvi. So that's it. Like, let's see what comes up. We are trying to get other sponsors also, and we are trying to work on his leg. So some we are talking to some of the doctors. So what can be done, and how we can give him more and better training, and how we can sponsor him. So far whatever from our academy we are doing it for him. But we are still expecting, like, if somebody else has also come forward, then we are ready to do it. So my coach, he is from USA, Texas, Johnny Garcia. So when he was here in Guwahati, so we spoke about it, like how it will be possible for him to do the competition, because there are certain rules. So we have to do a lot of work behind, like, before a fight. So we are expecting some new program for it. So let's hope for the best. His opponent is from Assam only, not Guwahati, Sagar. So he's a MMA fighter, but we are doing for him this time. We are doing only combat jiu-jitsu that we are grappling him.
The opponent is handicapped or?
No, he's a normal guy, but there will be certain rules that will be making it sure that it becomes equal. So that's why. So we are making sure that the safety is first, and there will be certain other concern also. We will talk with the technical team and with other coaches. So then we will come with that particular point system and everything.
The first day we have 4 bands. The bands are, one is a local band, it's called Eternal Squad, and the second one is called Rain in Sahara. It's a mixture of band members from Guwahati and also from USA. And the third band is a Nagaland based band. Their name is Trans Effect. And the fourth one, the headliner, they are actually from Sikkim, but they have opened in a lot of concerts. They have opened for bands like Guns N' Roses and Alter Bridge, to name a few, and they are called Girish and the Chronicles. And the second day consists of MC Altaf, Series X, which is a local group from Shillong. They basically do hip hop, and there are a few more DJs that will follow.